Welcome to this quick tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to create a QR code directly in Microsoft Word without using any third-party websites. Whether you want to link to a website, display text, or just share contact details, this method is simple and works in just a few easy steps. First, open your Word document. Then, click on Get Add-ins or Office Add-ins, depending on your version of Word. In the Add-ins window, use the search bar to type QR for Office. Once it appears in the results, click Add to install it. After the add-in is installed, you'll see a new panel open on the right side of your Word document. Now, in the QR for Office panel, type the text, number, or link you want to convert into a QR code. You can also customize the color and size of the QR code if you want. When you're ready, click Insert. The QR code will now appear in your Word document. You can move it around or resize it, just like any image. And that's it. You've successfully created a QR code inside Word in just a few steps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.